Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to check your Venmo balance. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things what we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Venmo application. So on your PC, if you're on your PC, just go to venmo.com. This is the main URL, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by the main page. On your mobile phone, just go ahead and open up the Venmo application after downloading it. So after opening up the official Venmo page, now we can get started. The first thing we need to do is to go ahead and log in. So if you do not already have a Venmo account, what you can do is register for one using the Get Venmo option. It's going to go and enable you to register on your mobile phone. Just continue with your phone number and create an account. So once you're logged in, now we can get started. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page, and the home page is going to look something like this. So from here, you'll be able to find all of your info, such as your home section right here, your cards, me, crypto, and so on. And what we can do now is directly find our balance. As you can see, here is my balance showing, and to go ahead and access this page, all we have to do is just click the me section right here. In the bottom right corner, you can click on me. By clicking on me, it's going to open up your profile right here. You can take a look at everything you have, such as your friends, your transactions, and so on, and you can take a look at your Venmo balance. So this is how to check your currently Venmo balance. You can take a look at your crypto balance as well, and so on. And from here, you can get started managing your money, transferring, and doing whatever you wish with it. But basically, it's all going to be available right here in this me tab right here, and that's how you see it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.